Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have some new lectures coming up through the month of September, October and November. Discovering the divine laws through the Qur'an and the cosmos. We're now going to go deeper from level 1 into level 2 of the language of nature, exploring the book of the cosmos, where we're going to explore deeper the divine laws, the sunan of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The second lecture will be exploring animal communities in the Qur'an and the significance of animals and their connection with the universal order. The third lecture is ecological colonization, ecological settler colonization, including the false flag of conservation. We will look at the biblical ecological strategy that Zionism is trying to establish in Palestine. This is a must, and this is happening now across the world, led by the West and also across Africa. You must understand this and see reality against falsehood. And then we'll explore the Arabic language through Nahwa and Self, and explore how we need to understand the Arabic language through ecological eco-literacy. And then last but not least, we're going to explore Surah Al-Nahl, the honeybee, the life of the honeybee with forest thinking dynamics. How do we read a forest? And that will help us to understand systems thinking. This is a science that we really must understand through the right brain hemisphere. So we have a number of these key lectures coming up, very interactive, roughly about 2 hours, and they start in September and run through to November. Please sign up. They are free and they are suitable for all people interested in education, curriculum developers, and those that have this enthusiastic desire to learn more about the environment and climate change and what they can do to help change this drastic situation that is happening in the world. And most importantly, it enables us, it will enable you to explore and penetrate the Quran much more deeper through the ayahs in relation to learning more about the Kitab al-Kawn, the book of nature. Look forward to seeing you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.